Canadian singer Shubneet Singh is facing the heat of the India-Canada diplomatic row as boAt has withdrawn its sponsorship for him. He is scheduled to perform in India from September 23rd to 25th. As his alleged anti-India and pro-Khalistani posts went viral, the company said, "At boAt, while our commitment to the incredible music community runs deep, we are first and foremost a true Indian brand. Therefore, when we became aware of the remarks made by artist Shubh early this year, we chose to withdraw our sponsorship from the tour." It further stated, "We will continue to foster a vibrant music culture in India and create platforms where emerging artists can show their talent." Not just online, Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, that is BJYM activists, have raised objections to his concert and tore down his posters on Monday. Between September 23rd and 25th, Shubh was scheduled to perform in Mumbai as part of the Cruise Control 4.0 event aboard the Cordelia cruise. However, the BJYM raised concerns, alleging that the singer had shown support for Khalistanis and shared an inaccurate map of Kashmir. It has to be noted that Shubh has still rolling India tour, spanning 3 months and encompassing 12 notable Indian cities such as Bangalore, Hyderabad, New Delhi, Mumbai and more. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha President Tajinder Singh Tiwana said, "There is no space for Khalistanis who are the enemy of the integrity and unity of India. We won't allow Canadian singer Shubh to perform in the auspicious land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Mumbai. If no proper action is taken, then the organizers will have to face our opposition."
भारत की एकता और अखंडता के शत्रु खालिस्तानी समर्थकों का भारत में कोई स्थान नहीं। देश को तोड़ने की साजिश करने वाले कैनेडियन सिंगर शुभ को हम भारत में महाराष्ट्र के छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की इस पावन धरती पर मुंबई में हम उसे परफॉर्म करने नहीं देंगे। आज भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा मुंबई के एक शिष्टमंडल ने शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से मुंबई पुलिस को, आयोजक परसेप्ट कंपनी, आयोजक टीम इनोवेशन और कॉर्डेलिया क्रूज मैनेजमेंट को हमने शो को निरस्त करने का ज्ञापन दिया है। अगर उचित कार्रवाई नहीं होगी तो आयोजकों को हमारे विरोध का सामना करना होगा। आज मैं मुंबई के युवाओं से अपील करता हूं कि इस देशद्रोही कैनेडियन सिंगर को सुनने से अच्छा आप अपनी ऊर्जा राष्ट्र निर्माण में लगाएं और इस शो को बॉयकॉट करें।
On the other hand, cricketers Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya and KL Rahul and also Suresh Raina have started unfollowing him. Soon after, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau told Canada's Parliament that there are credible allegations of a potential link between Indian government agents and the killing of Nijjar. Foreign Minister Melanie Joly announced the expulsion of a top Indian diplomat. Her office identified the official as Pawan Kumar Rai, head of the Research and Analysis Wing in Canada, according to public broadcaster CBC. The Indian side has rejected the claims by Trudeau and Joly as absurd and motivated, with the External Affairs Ministry saying that such unsubstantiated allegations seek to shift the focus from Khalistani terrorists who have been provided shelter in Canada and continue to threaten India's sovereignty.